Alis na kami. Ah. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Go up na. Ay. Saan lakad nyo? Ha? Saan lakad nyo? We're going Alwada Mall.
In November, December, January, November, December, January. This is problem is the cheapest problem. Too much cold.
Company driver also from Peshawar, two driver.
Ah, okay. Pathan, huh?
Pakistan.
In the Pakistani, more driver is Pakistani there is. The company is like to the Pakistan driver. Why this Pakistan driver is not afraid?
Yeah,
The driving is very good
it's
driving.
good also.
Maybe your luck is good. Sometimes is this U-turn line too much crowd.
Times to stop light before in
You see today is not traffic too much. There U-turn too much. I'm more customer bring to this side.
Hi, Raf. Inside na. Raf. Hi. Sabi mo. We're here in Alwada Mall. Woo. Hi, Raf. We're here inside Alwada. We're waiting for Papa. Raf. Oh, yan oh. Bath and Body Works. See that? Hmm? Lagi. Where are we going next, Raf? Raf. We're going window shopping. Window shopping lang muna kasi wala kaming pera. We don't have extra money. Fit flop. Fit flop. What? Rough. Where rough? Lalakad na naman. So, hi. Say hi, Raf. Rafa. Say hi. Oh. Adi Club. Adidas. You want to buy? Ayan, nakapag-grocery na kami. Hi, Raph. Raph. Now, pauwi na kami. Nakuha kami ng coffee. One. Inside.
Ano name niyan? Globe.
Is that toy?
Opo.
Name ko si Whisker.
Si Tigro.
Oh, si Whisker.
Whisker?
Nice name you.
Mag-wish siya tapos ma-scared siya. Whisker.
Here you go. Sira ulo. Bata. Close pa yung Lasenza. I don't know why. We're going home na. Nag-grocery na lang kami lang saglit. And see you later. We're outside na. Ha? Uy naman, dito bakante. Bakante dito. Uy. Allowed ba dito rin? Ayot ay. Happy ka, Raph? Happy ka nakalabas ka? Pauwi na. Going home.
Let's do the size. Only here, bro. Go side. Go side.
This side?
Yeah, only here.
And so, we're here nga sa bahay. Andito na kami sa bahay. Come here.
Bubble tea.
Babi.
Bubble tea. And bye.
Bye.
Bye.